Hello. I want to review about Kenmore DU4080 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum 2 Motor Power Suction. About item: lightweight, at under 12 pounds. This full-sized upright goes anywhere with ease. 0.850.0 watts. Specific uses: home decor. Lift-up technology. Quickly transition to a lightweight pod for stairs and above floor cleaning. Completely sealed air path. The HEPA filtration system lets you know the vacuum traps 99.97% of dust down to 0.3 microns inside your vacuum, keeping them out of the air you breathe. Extended reach. 9 feet of hose reach for all of your hard-to-access cleaning. Swivel plus LED headlight. Maneuver around corners and furniture seamlessly, leaving dirt nowhere to hide. Thanks for watching. You can get best price and discount from link in description. See you next video.